champion, the Purple Mustang, at the National Championship races in Reno, Nevada from 1964 until 1972, winning the National Championship in 1970. Clay purchased the airplane in 1967 from Al and competed in many air races across the United States. And it was one of 3 vintage air races featured in the Revell Model Air Racers. Vicky Benzing, and a nice aileron roll in the P-51. After having owned the airplane for 55 years, Clay sold the beloved Mustang to his friend Vicky Benzing in 2019. Vicky flew it to Reno that same year to be 23. Vicky is thrilled to be once again sharing this iconic purple racer with airshow fans all across the country. And you can see why. Ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful P-51 Plum Crazy. Mustang Plum Crazy. Great to have Vicky with us this weekend. Vicky also flies a Super Stearman, a PT-17 Stearman, which was a primary trainer used in World War II. But after the P-51D Mustang, listen to that Allison. There's nothing like it in the world.
Almost there, right? It's got a good way to take off.
Nice inverted pass in the P-51. Ended up basically turning into a whole new airplane. Still looks like 2 P-51s put together. We get a nice 8-point roll. Look at that. Beautiful 8-point roll, Vicky Benzing. All right, once again, this is your final warning. If you don't have the earplugs in, you're on your own at this point. Warming up the F-35A. F-35A demonstration team with us this weekend. We have Kent Pietsch still to come. Aaron Deliu. T-38 is back, ladies and gentlemen. First Reconnaissance Squadron, Lieutenant Colonel Josh Toll, our highest time U-2 pilot in the Air Force. You notice the distinctive 180 knots, a little over 200 miles an hour, just a little faster than our normal approach speed. Right about midfield, he'll bring the landing gear up.
Welcome to the jungle. fly and fight. And serve their country. F-35A Lightning II, powered by Deliu Extra.
Fighters, we've got a ramp full of history, and we hope you're taking advantage of it. The aircraft Kent's flying is an interstate cadet he purchased from his uncle in 1974. Being the first American plane fired upon by Japanese aircraft on their way to bomb Pearl Harbor. On the early morning training flight, turned into a fight for life as a 22-year-old instructor, Cornelia Ford, after being attacked, landed safely. On that flight back to the airport, the student pilot asked if he could solo later that day. She answered, not today, brother. You don't see every day. You see Kent Pietsch flying down low and low, and right in front of him is a pickup truck. Ladies and gentlemen, Aaron Deliu. Aaron ringing out the extra 330 over the skies of Southern California. Outside tumbles on the vertical upline, now watches the aircraft bleeds off with 0 airspeed, falling through its own smoke. ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Unbelievable. Aaron's performing an incredible micro loop. What did you think of that, folks? Ladies and gentlemen, no forward airspeed.